Hi friends. All right, so we have been talking about dialogue and quotation marks. There are three ways to use quotation marks. One way is at the beginning of when someone is talking. So see quotation mark, the car is red, he said. The car is red. The car is red. The car is red. They can be at the beginning. Dialogue can be at the end, or dialogue can be on both sides of he said. Now notice you have to have extra quotation marks if you have it on both sides. Quotation mark, quotation mark, quotation mark, quotation mark. So today you are going to be, after you watch this video, you're going to get onto this Pear Deck and you're going to need to read these sentences and tell me, is the tag at the beginning, the middle, or the end? Use this to help you. If it's at the beginning, you're going to put a B. If it's at the middle, you're going to put an M. And if it's at the end, you're going to put an E. I want one of those lollipops, begged the 4-year-old. Begged is kind of like said or asked. So they said, I want one of those lollipops. So I'm going to put quotation mark. That happens in the beginning. You can do this. You can do this. Make sure that you are looking to see what the code is for Pear Deck. All right? Happy quoting. Have fun with the dialogue. Bye.